Today we're going to see the best WordPress caching plugins to use in 2019. I have compared the top 4 caching plugins based on usability, features, and the level of customization possible. Hi everyone, I'm Purvita from WPMAIL, and today I'm going to reveal which cache plugin gives you the best bang for your buck, which plugin to use for sites targeting mobile users, and of course, which ones must you use. So the first WordPress caching plugin which I'm going to review is WP Rocket. It is a premium plugin available for $49. I'll start right away with the great features since we're here to compare. The main reason why I love WP Rocket is that it is simple to configure. As soon as the plugin is activated, it automatically does page caching, browser caching, and more. It also gives you an option to minify and concatenate the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript files. You can also combine the Google fonts and fix the render blocking issues for CSS and JavaScript. You also get lazy loading for images and iframes. WP Rocket integrates with Imagify for image optimization. You can also integrate your Cloudflare and Security cache with WP Rocket. Now the latest update gives you greater control over your site's performance. The advanced customization features include database optimization and never cache URLs. The plugin's interface is crystal clear. It's not a headache trying to get the settings right. On the downside, you may not want to invest $49 per year on this. You can always get another free plugins to do the job. Next up is the W3 Total Cache plugin. This is a free plugin available at wordpress.org. Some of the features W3 Total Cache provides are browser caching, page caching, database and object caching, minification of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript files, and CDN support included. W3 Total Cache increases your site's performance by reducing the download times by using your CDN. Another feature worth mentioning is that this plugin improves your performance no matter which hosting service provider you use. This is a great thing since hosting really matters when it comes to speed. Use this plugin if your site is mostly for mobile users. The AMP feature helps a lot. This plugin is mostly for advanced WordPress users as it offers a lot of customization features. If you're using a VPS or a cloud hosting service, you must definitely go for this plugin. I recommend you to use W3 Total Cache with a free CDN like Cloudflare for better results. It also has a minify feature for HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, but we recommend you to not do that. We have another plugin in the bonus section which will be better. We have made a video on how to configure this plugin for best results. The link is in the description below. Let's review WP Super Cache now. WP Super Cache was created by the makers of WordPress itself and is one of the top caching plugins available. One point worth noting is that this plugin takes care of legacy caching, which means that even logged-in users can expect a faster site. Super Cache has 3 levels of customization: simple level, expert level, and legacy caching level. The simplest method isn't as fast as the expert one but serves dynamic section only. The expert one is the fastest of all and can perform well under high traffic. Now, unlike W3 Total Cache, Super Cache doesn't make a CDN mandatory. On the downsides, Super Cache settings are a real pain in the neck. Now comes the final contender for this list, WP Fastest Cache. WP Fastest Cache is also another free plugin available in the market. Let's compare the results of a site using both Super Cache and Fastest Cache. As you can see, there is a slight difference in these results. Why is there a difference in these results? This is because Fastest Cache makes it easier to combine and minify CSS and JavaScript files. This reduces the number of page requests sent and improves the page speed time as well. In the premium version, you get even more customization options like mobile cache, widget cache, lazy load, and image optimization. The price is just $39 and can be used for a lifetime. You can refill credits for image optimization as well. Another bonus plugin which can be used in combination with any of these previous plugins and works like a charm is Auto Optimize. It doesn't matter which caching plugin you are using. We recommend you to use Auto Optimize for minification and concatenation of HTML, JavaScript, and CSS files. It is available for free and does a great job at improving performance. It also helps you fix render blocking issues of CSS and JavaScript by using critical CSS for above the fold content. It also helps to optimize Google Fonts and gives you an option to load JavaScript as asynchronous or deferred. If your server is hosted on GoDaddy, WP Engine, or anyone who blacklists cache plugins, that is where Auto Optimize comes into play. It fixes HTML, CSS, and JavaScript issues. Auto Optimize can be used in addition to any of the previous mentioned plugins. It will not clash with them. Just be sure to disable the common functions. We have done a video on how to configure Auto Optimize as it's a bit complex to configure. Please find the link in the description below. So, which caching plugins do we recommend? We recommend WP Rocket in the paid section and W3 Total Cache in the free section. It's true, you can supplement free plugins instead of WP Rocket, but trust me, too many plugins ruin the performance. W3 Total Cache gives you the most bang for your buck and is a great option for businesses targeting mobile users. Besides, Total Cache works great on all hosting platforms. For a detailed analysis of performance results using each plugin, click the link in the description below. These are the top 5 WordPress cache plugins you can use to increase your performance score in 2019. Have you tried any of these plugins? Or do you think I've missed some in the list? Do let me know in the comments below. Thank you.